Now that you've learned how to add a template, let's look at how to connect an Android device. Follow along. To connect your device, you'll first need to go to a web browser and search naturalForms website. Once you get to the website, scroll to the bottom of the page. Select Download for Android. This will immediately download the file. When it's finished downloading, select Open. This will bring you to a new page that will ask you if you would like to install the app. Select Install. When the app is installed, open it. Then sign in with your username, password, and the naturalForms website. It will take just a few moments to sync your device. Now you're ready to get started. Thank you for watching our tutorial. For additional videos and help documentation, visit our support site.